Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. Right now we are driving the all-new Mercedes AMG GLS 63. And it doesn't need the S behind the name because it is already the 635 horsepower version with over 850 Nm of torque. We are driving it in Sport Plus. And in today's video I will show you the driving characteristics, but also the full interior exterior opinions. So I will just slightly tilt the roof so that we can enjoy the V8 sound. It is a bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus. So let's take a right turn. As you can hear, it does have some pops and bangs. And yes, this GLS feels like a huge SUV. It is the largest SUV of Mercedes AMG. If you don't look at the Geländewagen, the G-Wagon. I've always told you that the GLS is comparable to an S-Class on stilts. And that's not surprising. Definitely if you look at the length, it is 5 meters and 21 centimeters, which is very close to the S-Class long wheelbase. Especially in the spacious factor, it is comparable to an S-Class. Also the rear, because it has the infotainment system display and a large amount of leg space. And even if you look at the interior in full detail, beautiful ambient lighting, and you even have the wood behind the beautiful seats on the cover, also in the curvy form, just like the S-Class design. But having a look at the exterior, however, you notice the exhaust tips, which are the same as the E63S facelift. So the beautiful vertical lines on the exhaust tips in a chromish color. So that really reminds me to the E63S, in specific the Estate, so the T model, because it also had the brilliant blue color. With the chrome parts around the window. You do have to keep in mind the GLS feels a little bit more bulgy in the corners, just like a ship. Whereas the GLE does a better job, in my opinion. It is a little bit lower, a little bit less weight, so more agile. But it is definitely fun driving a very large, heavy GLS with 630 horsepower. Amazing. So now let's continue to the Autobahn, because I want to show you the driving characteristics, because I actually think this is also a great cruiser, especially if you have it in the comfort mode. So let's switch the dynamic select switcher to C, comfort, and now the suspension is a little bit softer, steering is lighter. But before we do that, let's gas up the fuel tank, because it is currently in reserve. Let's go. Let's start it in the emotion start. Aggressive. You immediately get all the attention, of course. And let's take off. So the emotion start works as follows. You either hold the down or up shift when pressing the button to start, and in this way you have an instant pops and bangs. And it sounds amazing, especially from outside. So in front of me I have two large digital screens. Both are around 12.3 inches. You can also press it because it is a touchscreen. And then you can have a look at all your important information like navigation, radio, your songs, track pace, comfort, which again shows you the more comfortable aspect of the GLS, such as the massage seats. So you can activate the classic massage or, for example, the hot relaxing shoulder. So now that we are on the Autobahn, I will put it into the comfort mode. The screen in front of me I can also change to a different style. Then you just press the home button and go to styles and display. And I will put it into the classic, which is besides Super Sport my favorite one. Because here you have your speed, RPM on the right side with the gears. We are driving in the 9th gear, almost at 1500 RPM and a speed of 120 kilometers an hour. So this is very relaxing and cruising, and it uses around 12 liters per 100 kilometers an hour, only driving in a constant speed. Another S-Class characteristic is that it has the heated and cooled cup holder in the rear. You can actually press it by this button and it works phenomenal. It is connected to the center console. Gorgeous wood also on the dash, and I really love the interior design. As we have it in the comfort mode, you don't really hear the exhaust that much if you drive in a constant way. If you accelerate just a little, you can feel that it uses the torque. It has 850 Newton meters. And these are your diesel performance figures. Very easy to drive in higher gears. And yes, it has the augmented reality. So if you go to the settings, you can have a look at your advanced settings, augmented reality. And this is currently off, and I will put it to automatic, and that it also reads the house numbers. And in this way, if you're driving in the city, it doesn't show you the directions only with a map, but also with a camera, so exactly the arrows in which direction you need to go. But driving the GLS is also very safe in these types of situations, especially because you can look over the cars, you can see what's going on all the way in the back, and in this way you always keep your perfect distance with the car in front of you. So guys, I hope you liked the video with the GLS 63, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.